Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to duplicate a Shopify store. First, open your Shopify admin page and navigate to the app. Click on All Recommended Apps option and then select Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type in Duplify and install the app on your store. Next, open another Shopify page where you want to duplicate your store and install the Duplify app there as well. Once the installation is complete, go back to the original Shopify page, copy the secret key and paste it into the destination page. Don't forget to insert a notification email. You can choose to make a full export or try a demo. Thank you for watching.